Good morning, fishermen. Sun's just come up. Not a cloud in the sky. Another classic day in the bay. Let's go and get some fish. Rightio, fisherman, got a fish on. Been a long drought. Sun's just come up. Got the old winch in low gear. Braided monofilament is the backing line for the shooting head. No such thing as a good shooting head anymore. They're all rubbish. Don't buy airflow ones. They're crap. All their lines are crap now. They've taken the PVC out of the coatings. They just fall apart. Speaking from experience, I don't buy any airflow lines because I know they're rubbish. What they've done is they've gone cheap and nasty. It's the same with the guides on their rods. They bend and twist. End up replacing them. But hey, if you want cheap and nasty, go airflow. What they've done is they've compromised all your gear to maximise profits. That's what it is. Oakley dokley, Ned Flanders. Got a fish. There we go, Jack. 3.5, 4 pounds. Hatchery. Gave got a count of himself. Put him back where he came from, eh? Long drop. And he's away.